Cat. Cat. A small pet animal that loves milk. Example: the cat is sleeping on the sofa. Dog. Dog. A domestic animal and a loyal friend. Example: the dog is barking loudly. Cow. Cow. A farm animal that gives us milk. Example: the cow is eating grass. Goat. Goat. A farm animal that also gives milk. Example: the goat is jumping on the hill. Sheep. Sheep. A farm animal that gives us wool. Example: the sheep is running in the field. Horse. Horse. A strong animal used for riding. Example: the horse is running fast. Elephant. Elephant. The largest land animal with a trunk. Example: the elephant is drinking water. Lion. Lion. A wild animal known as the king of the jungle. Example: the lion is roaring loudly. Tiger. Tiger. A wild animal with black stripes. Example: the tiger is hiding in the forest. Bear. Bear. A big animal that eats plants and fish. Example: the bear is catching fish from the river. Monkey. Monkey. An animal that loves to climb trees. Example: the monkey is eating a banana. Deer. Deer. A fast animal with beautiful horns. Example: the deer is running in the forest. Camel. Camel. A desert animal called the ship of the desert. Example: the camel is carrying people in the desert. Zebra. Zebra. A wild animal with black and white stripes. Example: the zebra is walking in the grassland. Rabbit. Rabbit. A small animal with long ears. Example: the rabbit is eating carrots. Fox. Fox. A clever wild animal. Example: the fox is looking for food. Wolf. Wolf. A wild animal that lives in groups. Example: the wolf is howling at night. Giraffe. Giraffe. The tallest animal with a long neck. Example: the giraffe is eating leaves from the tree. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. An animal from Australia with a pouch. Example: the kangaroo is jumping high. Panda. Panda. A cute animal that eats bamboo. Example: the panda is sitting and eating bamboo. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.